Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Ahlan wa sahlan wa marhaban bikum. Inshallah, Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak. Kullu am wa antum bi khair fi kulli makan. Inshallah, min al-Eidin, min al-Faizin. Inshallah, bi idhnillahi kareem. Brothers and sisters, I take this golden opportunity to actually congratulate all people who have observed this great day, Yomul Farah, Yomul Eid, inshallah. Just to say thank you and to also congratulate those who have observed this day. Let's celebrate the Eid al-Fitr, and we also ask God, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, to accept our deeds, all what we have done in this month of Ramadan, or in the last month of Ramadan, inshallah, bi'idhnillahi kareem. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept our prayers, our standing of prayers, our sadaqah, our charity, and our zakat, inshallah, bi'idhnillahi kareem. Just to say hi, and don't forget to make sure that you continue with the worshipping of God, not only the month of Ramadan. Inshallah, every time we need to have the taqwa. We need to have the fear of God, and the fear of God does not end. You need to know, ittaqullaha haythuma kunta wa atbi'i sayyi'ata hasanata tamhuha wa khaliqin nasa bi khuluqin hasanin. Inshallah, that is how we celebrate the Eid. Kullu am wa antum bi khair, min al-faizin, min al-Eidin. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.